honey. You might want to put your thing up so you can see. Or not.
Well, I avoid controversial subjects.
Well, of course.
I think I will have some India when I get home.
You knock yourself out.
And I figured of all the nights to be good and totally sober, a night like this might be a good one.
For what?
To be totally sober.
No, I only got one of those half beers. I didn't know you could do that.
I didn't either.
But I saw they had like half draw, full draw. And I said, can I do a half draw on something? Does that mean half a beer? And she's, yeah, pretty much. And I said, there you go. Because it only cost me like $3.50.
Well, I just thought that even though this is actually not that bad.
Oh, that one half beer, though, did not affect me even a tiny bit. You know, and mind you, it took me an hour and a half to drink that tiny thing.
I talked to Michael briefly.
Cootie Man Michael?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because there's also Susan's Mike.
Yeah, well, yeah. I asked him if he was still going to do Cardinals tickets given the poor attendance. And he said that
I didn't
yeah. And he said that he was because he had a personal seat license.
Yeah, what?
Has a personal seat license, which was a thing in the past where, in addition to the tickets, you had to fork over. I don't know how much it was from the Cardinals, but this was when the Cardinals were good. So it's like he has to get them, or forfeit that. And
Okay. Pick a lane.
it might have some value if the